Hey there, how are you? So we're building up Ryefield Models Panzer 3, just the exterior version of it. So let's move these out of the way. Oh, that panhard is really nice, isn't it? I like it a lot. So yeah, we're building this up. It's a really nice kit by Ryefield Models. It's amazing. But I'm building it up to look like 20th Panzer. 24th Panzer in Stalingrad, a certain tank. And as you can see here, I've actually damaged the plastic, you see there, because I can't find a picture of the tank that's in combat that doesn't have these damaged. So I thought it's important to damage these up a little bit. Now I've done that with a lighter, so I've just clamped on my pliers, and with a lighter I've come underneath and just very gently. Now there's a fine line between right and wrong, so doing this with a lighter is very difficult. Now I've had a lot of practice, you know, building things when I was young. I'm really good with a lighter and plastic, but that's how I got that done. So I would clamp the pliers on, and then underneath with the lighter I'd come in, and just as it started to bend I would get the light away, and then I was able to make the adjustments with the pliers. But if you do that, be very careful. It's a very fine line between right and wrecked. But it sort of gives a look like it's been hit or something like that, which is good. But the amount of detail in this kit and how it goes together is amazing. Like this fender here, it just looks really good. You see, I've gone with the photo etch rear. You've got a plastic one that's all fancy and that, but I really like the photo etch ones. They're really easy to break and bend and smash up and all that kind of stuff. But then you can see here the exhaust system and all that. That'll be covered up, of course, but it's really easy to make. It's a lot easier than the Academy version. So I'm going to, yeah, of course, retexture the surface. I've got the tracks built as well. They went together very well. They hold together easily. But just do one at a time. Those jigs they put in the packs, they never work properly. It's just best you do one at a time and glue one at a time. Alright guys, that's my Panzer 3 progress report. I'll speak to you again soon.